Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Della Fitriani Kurnia. I am from IPSE 2019. In here, I will explain about optical instruments. What is optical instrument? Optical instruments are the devices which process light wave to exchange an image for a more clear view. Next, what is optical instruments in STEM model? So the first is what is the abbreviation of STEM. S in here means science, T means technology, E means engineering, and M means mathematics. Next, I will explain first what is the relationship of optical instruments in science. So in here, there are just physics and biology that explain what is optical instrument in science. So chemistry not included in here. In physics, there are lens, eye, camera, microscope, and telescope. In biology, there are living things. Living things means human and animals. So in here, plants not included in living things because plants don't have eye. So the second is eye organ. Next, the first is lens. What is lens? Lens is optical system with two refracting surface, and there are two properties of lens. The first is convex lens. Convex lens happen which a beam of rays parallel to the axis passes through the lens. The rays converge to a point and form a real image at that point. And the second is concave lens. Concave lens happen which the beam of parallel incident on this lens diverges after refraction. Next, in here, there are pictures about concave lens and convex lens. In the left side, there is convex lens picture that explain the ray is deflected and collect at the point, but in the right side, concave lens explain that the rays is deflected outward as if it were from focal point. In the bottom, there is convex lens and concave lens in the real. Next, there are eye. The eye is a sensory that functions much like a camera, so there is vision process that occur with the eye. So what is vision? Vision is the process through which reflected from objects in our environment is translated into a mental image. There are steps of vision process. The first is light enters the eye and the lens focuses the light on the retina. And two, the photoreceptors of the retina transduce light energy into an electrical signal. And the third is neural pathways from retina to brain process electrical signals into visual image. Next, there is the picture about human eyes in the left side and cat's eyes in the right side. So what happened with eyes when in the light and in the dark? With the eyes, when in the light, so the pupil will become small, but if in the dark, the pupil of eyes will become big. So it happened to humans and animals. Next, there is camera. The camera is a box with a lens in one side of it and photographic film or a CCD on the opposite side. The distance between camera lens and film can be changed so as to focus on objects at various distances. The aperture can also be changed. In dim light, you need to open the aperture up to let a lot of light in, but this makes the image less sharp and you have a smaller depth of field. Next, there is microscope. Microscope is instrument that produce enlarged image of small object, allowing the observer an exceedingly close view of minute structures at the scale convenient for examination and analysis. The magnification of microscope is most commonly 40 times, 100 times, 400 times, and sometimes 1000 times. And in the right side, there is the part of microscope. Next, there is telescope. A telescope is an optical instrument that makes distant objects appear magnified by using an arrangement of lenses or curved mirrors and lenses or various devices used to observe distant objects by their emission, absorption, or reflection of electromagnetic radiation. Next, in biology, what is relationship optical instrument in biology? So, human and animals have eyes. So, there are relationship optical instruments in biology because yes, human and animals have eye organ. And in here, some example of animal eye shapes and functions are as follows. And the first is African land snail. Eyes can only distinguish between light and dark. This is the picture of number 1. And the second is mandarin fishes, like most tropical fishes, have good color vision. And in here is the picture of number 2. And the third is red eyes. Tree frogs have a third eyelid that helps keep the eye clean. So in here, this is the picture of number 3. Next, in technology, what is the relationship optical instrument in technology? The first is 3D film. 3D film is the motion pictures made to give an illusion of three-dimensional solidity, usually with the help of special viewing devices. And the second is Fresnel lens. Fresnel lens used particularly in lighthouses and searchlight to concentrate the light into a relatively narrow beam. And the third is virtual reality. Virtual reality is the computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional image or environment that can be interacted with in a seemingly real or physical way by a person using special electronic equipment. Next, in here, this is the picture of 3D film. And this is the picture of Fresnel lens. And this is the picture of VR box. VR box is mean virtual reality that said by me before. In here, I with my group make the VR box from the cardboard. Next, engineering. What is the relationship optical instrument in engineering? The first is eyeglass lens design. This is the picture of it. And the second is pinhole camera. And this is the picture of it. And the third is designing binocular. And this is the picture of it. Next, in mathematics, what is the relationship of optical instrument in mathematics, there is the derivation of lens formula. This is a picture of light that deflected. So in here, form to triangular that have 90 degrees. Then in here is explanation of derivation of lens formula. For search the formula of tan alpha equal to HO divided into SO. So in here can conclude tan alpha equal to tan alpha. So in here can conclude HO divided into SO equal to HI divided to SI. So in here can get the first equation that SI divided into SO equal to HI divided into HO. Next, in here there is the difference formula. Tan theta equal to HO divided into F, and tan theta equal to tan alpha, because the two is same about tan. So HO divided into F equal to HI divided into SI means F. So we can get the equation of second HI divided into HO equal to SI mean F equal divided into F. Next, in here SI divided into SO equal to HI divided into HO. So we can derive SI divided into SO equal to SI mean F divided into F. So we can times the two section in this. SI times F equal to SO times SI mean F. SI times F equal to SO times SI mean SO times F. So in here divided by SO times SI times F. So we can scratch it the similar of those. So we can get the formula 1 divided into SO equal to 1 divided by F means 1 per SI. So for search focal point, 1 over F equal to 1 over SO plus 1 over SI. Then we can get the final formula. M means magnification. M equal to HI means HO or equal SI divided into SO. So in here, magnification always has the value of positive. Alright, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.